Encountering an invalid SIM card error on your Walmart family mobile phone can be frustrating. This error typically means your phone isn't recognizing the SIM card, preventing you from connecting to the network. This often results from a loose or improperly installed SIM, an incomplete activation process, or a phone that's locked to another carrier. As of September 2025, troubleshooting involves several key steps, which we'll walk through. The first thing you should always try is reseating the SIM card. Start by powering off your device. Hold the power button until the power menu appears, then select Power Off to shut down the phone completely. Then, locate the SIM tray on your device. This is typically on the side of the phone. Use a SIM ejector tool or a paperclip to carefully push into the small hole next to the tray. Remove the SIM tray carefully. Take out the SIM card and inspect it closely for any visible damage, scratches, or dirt on the gold contacts. If you see dirt or residue, gently clean the gold electrical contacts on the SIM card using a dry, lint-free cloth. Avoid using liquids or abrasive materials. Firmly reinsert the SIM card into the tray, making sure it's properly aligned with the notch. Then, slide the tray back into the phone until it locks into place with a click. Power on your device by holding the power button. Once it boots up, check if the invalid SIM card error has been resolved. If reseating doesn't work, ensure your SIM card is activated. Activation links the SIM to your Walmart family mobile account. First, get your phone's IMEI number by dialing *6. Then, activate through the Walmart family mobile app or by calling their customer service. Remember, activation must occur within 7 days of purchase. Lastly, if the phone was previously used with another carrier like AT&T or Verizon, it may be locked. Contact the original carrier to unlock it. This is often free after your contract ends. You can also use third-party unlocking services, but be cautious as they may pose security risks. Make sure to verify device compatibility with Walmart Family Mobile before activation. Check their website for supported devices and ensure your phone supports the necessary network bands.